Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Anthony Murphy. I'm a software engineer. Just came fresh out of high school to go to Boca Code. The name of my project is Chromesthesia, which is a type of synthesis that relates color to music. About me, one of my favorite things to do is music. I love listening to music. When I'm coding, some of my favorite memories are associated with music. It's my favorite art form. And I remember, I think my first ever experience with really listening to my own music on my own was when my grandfather gave me a Walkman with a playlist of like Pink Floyd and Miles Davis on it.
Yeah.
One of my problems was, though, I'm very passionate about my music, and I have no place to show it. I can, some of my friends don't want to hear me talk about an album for 3 hours sometimes, and I just wish there was a good outlet for me to put that information out there. And all the ones that are available have outdated design. You have to wait for your submission to be approved, and just not very easy to use. My solution is something that's much more personal, much more for the users instead of the readers. It's cleaner, and it's easier to use. Let's take a look. Give it a moment. Here's just a small catalog of some of my collection.
Deftones.
Oh, this is not a video. This is not an album. Let's get rid of this real quick.
Joe, how'd your stuff get?
And this is not the name of the album. Let me change that real quick too.
Very nice.
Let's give it a moment. There you go.
Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
This is very nice, but it's missing one of my favorites. So let's go add that real quick. Give it a 5. I'm gonna give it 2 stars. Yeah. Let's just fill it in. Oh, no, definitely not that. There it is. There's the album cover. Let's add in the review. And let's submit it. Give it a moment. And here it is.
Nice.
My tech stack, everything is deployed on GCP here. My database, I used MongoDB. It was the one I'm the most used to, and I really like how easy it is to change things on the fly. For my API, I used Express and Node.js. And for my web app, I used React.js and React Bootstrap. For future work, I'd like to add themes for each review, so you can choose the background and the color of the text for each individual post. And I'd like to add voting, like how I write it, so the highest voted ones would appear at the top of the page. And thank you.